All right, inside the box here, we have 6 of EVBases vault storage bins. We're gonna go ahead and unbox one of these and take a look and put it together and see what they look like. And then eventually we'll put them in the back of the Cybertruck and load them up with some goodies and see how they look and how they do. Inside the box here, open the top up, slide this out. This is the unit that's inside. It's flat. It's got like a wooden top here, and the actual box itself is flattened. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. All right, so this is what comes in the actual box itself. It's flat. So I'm gonna take off this top. The top is, it's not wood, it's like a particle press board. I did drop it and it did scuff the one end. We have other boxes that did scuff, but yeah, it's like the same backing you get like when you're building like what do you think, a TV cabinet or whatever. On the back of that is kind of what that is, a little thicker. But here's the actual crate itself. So it's like it's a crate. So you're gonna lift it up. The sides kind of collapse, right? So you just kind of pull it open, a little accordion size, and then these sides here kind of collapse down. So now you have space to store stuff, right? And then you put when you have stuff inside, you're gonna put the top back on. Now they're stackable or whatever. To actually collapse it back in, just take the sides up and then you just collapse both sides. Now you can store them away pretty easily. So we're gonna put these in the back of the Cybertruck. I have 6 of them, and the way they're designed size-wise, they should go 3 across, and they'll put some stuff in there so you guys can see how much stuff you can fit inside these little crates inside the Cybertruck. Okay, so we already have one of the boxes put together and put in the back of the bed of the Cybertruck. We have 5 more to go, so let's go ahead and unbox these and get them all set up. So here we go. Just like that, they're unboxed and set inside the Cybertruck bed. Oh crap, but we forgot to raise them up. They're all flattened, so let's go ahead and get those raised up one more time. And there you have it. So 6 of their crates, the collapsible crates with their tops on them. In the back of the Cybertruck. They don't fit exactly across because the bed of the Cybertruck does kind of taper, so that might be difficult to create something like that. But and there they are. We're gonna put some stuff on there. I'm gonna do a couple other things with the crates here and finish off this video. But here you go. They have them in different colors. They have them in black, red, and they have them in white. So let's go ahead and fill them up with some stuff. Kind of messing around with different configurations of the actual crates. So it looks like you can fit, 4 here, and then you could actually fit 3 here. So I'm thinking this actual box would fit right here, no problem. Yeah, it fits perfect. So if you had 7 of them, they fit across the bed pretty good. Tiny gap here. I was just thinking about these things moving back and forth as you're driving. So 7 of them would fit in this configuration relatively good. And maybe you lock it down by bringing a bungee over or something like that, or connecting something up. If you had that extra divider right here, it would hold those back no problem. So if you had 7 of them, they would fit in a really nice configuration like this. All right, so we filled these crates up with a bunch of stuff to kind of show what you can actually pack in these crates. So the first thing I show you here is a hose. So you got a hose in there, easy enough. A pack of dog pads, some beer and water, and then a bunch of cleaning supplies. But if you notice, these cleaning supplies, they fit, but the top don't fit on there. So that leads me to my next thing I'm gonna do. I'll give you guys the dimensions, the length and the width of these and the depth. That way you can, get an idea for how deep they are, how wide and long they are. About 12 inches wide, and our length is about 19 and a quarter. And our depth is gonna be about 10 inches deep. Can we fit in these crates? You can actually fit a full Chihuahua. Mr. Ricky. Hi, Rick. What's up, buddy? Say hi. And there's a bee in there as well. All right, so Zach's carrying the crate. But you can see that the actual crate is pretty robust. Plastic is pretty good. And go ahead and set that down real quick. Not terrible. This one here is a little heavier, a lot more weight in it. And it's not terrible. So they're pretty robust. Son Zach's never dismantled these before, so see how easy they are. How do you do it? Folds up flat, easy peasy for storage. Pretty awesome. Yeah, they got pulled the tops, the sides back in yet. Now you get yourself a crate. Pretty awesome. Storage of this is relatively simple. Once it's collapsed, it's very, very thin. And the actual wood top kind of goes right inside there and stays in. And then you can kind of store it wherever you're gonna store it at, in your garage or wherever you're gonna store them. All right, so I got the wifey. She's never actually folded this down before. So let's see if she can do it. Simple, that simple. Okay, so that's EVBases collapsible crates on their website, evbase.com. Use our code, the Tesla channel, to get 20% off these crates or anything else on their website. And these are very, very awesome. They do collapse. They don't have to be used in the Cybertruck. They can be used in any vehicle, and they're so convenient for putting groceries or whatever else you think you can put in there, and they collapse and they're out of the way. My wife was just saying how convenient it would be to put in the back of the car, or other Teslas or any other car for that matter, and put groceries inside there. So thanks for watching. Make sure you do like and subscribe. And these are the collapsible crates by EVBase. Looks like you can fit one of the collapsible crates in the front of the Cybertruck.